is the Malabar exercise and why is it significant? Australia will join three-way naval exercises involving the United States, Japan and India in a move that could provoke concern from China, which has criticized similar joint drills in the past. What is the Malabar exercise? The Malabar naval exercise began in 1992 as a training event between the United States and India. Japan joined it in 2015, but Australia has not participated since 2007. The exercise was conducted off the coast of Guam in the Philippine Sea in 2018 and off the coast of Japan in 2019. This year's drills are likely to be held in the Bay of Bengal and the Gulf, Defense Ministry says. Dates have not yet been confirmed. Why is it significant? It will be the first time that the United States, India, Japan, and Australia, the informal grouping known as the Quad, have participated in a joint military exercise of this size. The four democracies in the Indo-Pacific hope the exercise can act as a counterweight to Chinese military and political influence in the region. India, which is locked in a military standoff along the Ladakh border with China, hopes the expansion of the exercise will contain what it sees as Beijing's intrusion into its territory, analysts say. What ships will participate? India, which last year sent two smaller warships, was likely to send a larger carrier this time as smaller distances are involved. The United States already has the supercarriers Nimitz in the Gulf and Ronald Reagan in the Bay of Bengal, both possible participants in the drill. Japan's Navy is likely to send one of its two Izumo-class helicopter carriers, officials said, the largest in its fleet, and which have been part of the exercise for several years. Australia could send one of its newest ships, such as the destroyer Hobart.